Generators are crucial for maintaining power during outages, but like any piece of machinery, they require regular maintenance to perform reliably. The simplest aspect of generator maintenance is generator exercise. This practice not only ensures that your generator is in working condition, but also extends its reliability, ensuring it's ready to deliver power whenever an outage occurs. Generator exercise is the process of running your generator at a scheduled interval, even when it's not needed for backup power. During this exercise, the generator is typically run without a load for a set period. The purpose of this exercise is to help ensure the generator's function during an actual power outage. The engine is started and it runs for a specified duration, usually 10 to 30 minutes, depending on the manufacturer's recommendations. This exercise is often programmed into the generator's control panel, meaning it can be set to occur automatically at regular intervals. Generator exercise offers several benefits. For generators that run on diesel or gasoline, fuel can degrade over time if it sits idle for too long. Regular exercise keeps the fuel circulating, helping to prevent it from becoming stale and causing issues like clogging the fuel lines or injectors. Just like a car that hasn't been driven in a while, a generator that hasn't run can suffer from a lack of lubrication. During exercise, oil is circulated throughout the engine, ensuring that all moving parts are adequately lubricated. This reduces wear and tear and extends the life of the generator. Generators rely on a battery to start. If the generator sits idle for too long, the battery can lose its charge, leading to starting issues when the generator is needed most. Regular exercise helps keep the battery charged and ready to go. Running the generator regularly allows you to identify and address issues before they become serious problems. During exercise, you might notice unusual noises, vibrations, or alerts from the control panel. Catching these early means you can schedule maintenance or repairs before a real emergency arises. Generators, especially those that are not used frequently, can lose efficiency if not exercised regularly. The exercise helps to keep the engine and other components in peak condition, ensuring the generator runs smoothly and efficiently when it's needed. Most manufacturers recommend exercising your generator at least once a week for 10 to 30 minutes. This is typically enough to keep the engine and other components in good working order. However, the exact frequency may vary depending on the type of generator, its usage, and the manufacturer's guidelines. It's essential to consult your generator's manual to determine the recommended exercise schedule. Many modern generators come with an automatic exercise function, allowing you to set a schedule for exercise without needing to remember to do it manually. This feature is incredibly convenient and ensures that your generator is always exercised regularly, even if you forget. For generators without this feature, it's crucial to set a manual schedule and stick to it. You might set reminders on your calendar or use other tools to ensure you don't miss this vital maintenance task. Government regulations might limit when and how long a generator can exercise. In some areas, non-emergency generators are restricted from running during peak pollution hours or on specific high smog days. It's essential to check local regulations to ensure compliance while maintaining generator readiness. Generator exercise is a simple yet crucial practice for ensuring your generator is always ready to perform when you need it most. By running your generator regularly, you prevent fuel degradation, keep engine components lubricated, maintain battery charge, and identify potential issues before they become critical. Whether you have an automatic or manual system, sticking to a regular exercise schedule will ensure your generator remains a reliable source of backup power for years to come. Regular exercise is the first step in a generator preventive maintenance program.